Hi everyone, in this short demo I'll walk you through FigJam, a collaborative whiteboard tool by Figma that makes brainstorming and visual thinking fun and interactive. To get started, I've logged into my FigJam account, as you can see up in the corner here. From here, I'll click this FigJam button to create a new file. On the bottom right here, you're going to see a toolbar. I can add a sticky note by just clicking and dragging up here like this. And when I have this, I can put ideas in it. I can type. And it's also easy to change the color. You can resize it by clicking one of these corners and making it bigger or smaller as well. This is great for just quick thoughts as well as group brainstorming. FigJam also makes it really easy to draw connections. So let's say I put another sticky note right here. There's this whole tab group you can press that has a bunch of shapes. So when you click this, it'll give you options for many different shapes, like a square, circle, a diamond, as well as a connector. So the way you use a connector is you can place it down, and then you can drag it like this. And this shows a connection between your ideas as well. Now, these additions of shapes and connectors are perfect for things like mind maps or flowcharts in the classroom. One of FigJam's best features is its ability for real-time collaboration. When others are working on the board, you'll see their cursors and any changes they make live, which is awesome for either group work or remote learning. Additionally, students can press this button to add and view comments. So let's say we were to add a comment here. This shows up in the comment section and on the board as well. If you're short on time, FigJam offers templates for brainstorming, team planning, or even Venn diagrams. Just click up here on templates, you can customize them, and you're ready to go. So let's say team chart. If we add this in here, it'll just put this right in the FigJam, and then you can edit it, and it's perfect for quick and easy diagrams or templates. That's a quick tour of FigJam's key features. Now let's look at how it scores in terms of privacy, accessibility, and educational use. FigJam follows Figma's privacy policy, which means files can be kept private, shared with specific collaborators, or made public. You can control who can view or edit each board, which is particularly helpful for managing class projects securely. However, something to keep in mind, and I found specifically concerning in the privacy policy, is the disclosing your information to third parties. And it looks like there are a lot of places that Figma shares your information to. I think it's just important to look over your settings and making sure that you are not giving them permission to share data that you might not want shared. First off, I would like to note that if you go to some of the resources on the Figma website, there are various accessibility tools that they provide you to help students with certain needs be able to access the app. Figma also has multiple resources to create accessible FigJam boards, like learn how to use a screen reader with FigJam, or learn about using sections to make content easier to collaborate with a screen reader, learn how to tidy up and organize your objects, use numbered lists to describe order, such as in your content structure, adding alt text images, color usage. It has so many resources for people actively trying to make their boards more accessible. Additionally, as we showed in our demo, Figma is really easy to use. Things are labeled with shapes, and when you hover over them, they give you labels as to what they are, and it's drag and drop as well, which is super helpful. Making adjustments is really easy. Adding text, you can just do by clicking and adding your text. If you want students to join your board, they do not have to create an account or anything. You can just press share, and it's really easy. They can just copy a link into Google and then be able to access your board. Overall, FigJam is a powerful and flexible tool for creative collaboration, especially at the middle school, high school, or college level. Whether you're brainstorming, mapping ideas, or co-creating a project, FigJam helps bring your thinking to life.